Hello, I'm Blocks Mortis, and I'm going to go over some order flow, more specifically here on Bookmap. And just really quick, so when we're looking at the order books, we're looking at what's going on inside the candles on the candle chart. That's what makes the candles right here. But let's get a little bit into this. Bookmap is a really powerful trading platform you can connect to your broker, and you can trade right off of this. Your trading panel will be right here. You can have another one up here. I don't use it for that. I kind of use it just to watch order flow myself. Now what's going on here, you'll see the volume dots. This is showing you the volume at price, whether buyers or sellers are winning in this situation. Right now, it looks like the sellers are kind of taking control. You know, we might come down here to this liquidity. Now these horizontal lines, speaking of liquidity, since this is futures, this could be a closing trade for somebody. There could be longs opening here. This could be a stop loss. You know, it's a lot of things could be going on. Market makers could be coming in right here to pull the price down, then move it when they get down here, and then put one up here and pull it back up. It's just something that you'll kind of have to watch and kind of learn how the markets move and market makers move. It is a little bit more longer video, but yeah, it's kind of like watching chart patterns. You watch this enough and you'll get a better understanding. And then, you know, you can add more indicators. You got order imbalance up here. You got, you get into the volume delta. You get into a lot of stuff with this. But just wanted to go over this really quick. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer them. You know, I'm coding all day, and then I'm trying to get a few videos out I've promised to make for a while now. But yeah, and then another thing really quick, it's the same thing with stocks. You know, you're going to want to look at the order book, and you'll kind of understand what's going on a little bit more. Like, same thing, you know, you're watching the candle charts all day. You might want to add this to your toolkit. It's not, it's just another thing for confluence. You know, if you're in a trade, you want to see the orders come into the upside. If you're in a long, like people are selling, you know, go to the bottom of the book and you're in it, like, I don't know, we'll make up some numbers like 620 and people are selling at 650. You're thinking, oh, well, this might be going my way. This is something to have for confluence. You're going to have a lot of things in your toolbox by the time we're done, especially if you're following along with me. I'm going to keep pushing these out and getting this information to you guys. And try to go in as much detail as possible. I'm not a big streamer influencer guy, but bear with me, man, and we're going to get to the date. I'm going to share with y'all a lot of good stuff. All right, I'm out. Trade safe. Peace.